it's race time at 7:30, so I got a little less than an hour and a half till race time. Eating some breakfast. The sun is just coming up, looks beautiful. Woo! Here we go. Hey! Woo!
Pedals ready, bikers ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's
Get that one? Good little wreck. Oh, I am feeling it. I am dying. I am in rough shape right now. But only a couple more miles to the peak, Cement Ridge Lookout, and it's mostly downhill from there. Just gotta keep pushing. Good work, man. Yeah, you too. All right, final push to the ridge, to the lookout. Yeah. The 28 below race. It was extremely difficult. Not exactly the time that I wanted. I did finish in 4 hours, 7 minutes. So my goal was to be under 4. I wish I could have done even better than that, but goal was under 4, so pretty close. Not too bad. Oh man, I am feeling it now. My legs are in pain. I need to get out of my clothes. I'm all sweaty, cold, ready to go get some food. So yeah, we'll catch you later.